Introducing the Vari-Angle module. Its main feature is to control the angle of cutting when we are doing an angled cut. There are two wings with angle scales on them and a mark on both sides to align the angle you picked. The module is designed for both left and right-handed users. Let's start by releasing the screw on the back of the cutter. For right-handed users, attach the cutter in this direction on the module by matching this knob onto the groove. For left-handed users, the cutter will sit at the opposite side. Now, we finish the assembling by fastening the screw. Now the module is free to adjust to the angle we want. Please notice the grooves here on the sides. They are designed to align the angle you choose. It could be set anywhere between 0 and 45 degrees, which means the cutting angle can be from vertical to 45 degrees inclined. Now we set the angle to, say, 30 degrees. Fasten the screws on both sides, and now the cutting angle is fixed. Next, let's try to adjust the depth of the cuttings. To adjust the cutting depth, we can find two tapers here. Align the sheet to the taper and check from here. If we would like to cut all the way through, the edge of the blade needs to exceed the cutting material a little bit. Once the depth of the cutting is fixed, we can start cutting. The way to cut is simple. Align the ruler to the line we want to cut, and then have the Vari-Angle module sit on the ruler. Please notice it's attached to the inclined side, not the other. For example, I'm right-handed, so it comes from the right side. Then, we will find a pair of grooves on the top surface of the ruler. It will have a click sound when we press it down. And it's now in the right position. Considering we would like to be able to see the tip of the blade while cutting, we hold the module in this way. Then smoothly pull it towards our body, and the sheet can be cut through. This is it, the 30 degree as we set in the beginning.